which is designed to automatically turn off the engine when the car comes to a stop and restart it when the driver releases the brake pedal. This feature is intended to improve fuel efficiency and reduce emissions. If you encounter this error message, there could be a few potential reasons for the fault. Here are some steps you can take to troubleshoot the issue. Check the battery. The stop-start system relies on a healthy battery to function properly. If the battery is weak or failing, it could lead to this fault message. Check the battery voltage and condition. If the battery is low, it might not have enough power to support the stop-start function. Brake system. The stop-start system also relies on the brake pedal position sensor to determine when to shut off the engine. If there's an issue with the brake sensor or related components, it could trigger the fault message. Ensure that the brake pedal is functioning correctly and that there are no issues with the brake system. Temperature conditions. In some cases, the stop-start system may not operate if the engine temperature is too high or too low. Make sure the engine is within the recommended temperature range for the stop-start function to work. Electrical system. Problems with the vehicle's electrical system, such as faulty wiring or sensors, can impact the operation of the stop-start system. It's a good idea to inspect the electrical connections and wiring related to the stop-start system. Diagnostic scan. If the issue persists and you're unable to identify the problem, it's recommended to have the vehicle scanned for diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, using a compatible diagnostic tool. This can help pinpoint the specific issue that is causing the fault message. Dealership or mechanic. If you're unable to diagnose or resolve the issue on your own, it's advisable to take your Nissan QASHQAI to a certified Nissan dealership or a qualified mechanic for a thorough inspection and repair.